morning mga ka-homepage. Nandito tayo sa Davao at isa sa pinaka-main attraction ay ang mga beaches sa Samal Island. Kaya hindi dapat na i-miss natin ang pagbisita sa Samal Island at ang pinaka-convenient na paraan ng pagpunta dito ay ang pagsakay sa water taxi. Di ba, Doren?
Yes, you are so correct, Ate Weng. At this morning, makakasama natin ang manager ng water taxi, si Mr. Dean Ortiz. Good morning po, Sir Dean.
Good morning.
Yan, welcome po sa homepage.
Thank you.
Kung hindi kami nagkakamali, itong water taxi is first in the Philippines to.
Yes, ito po yung pioneer water taxi service sa Philippines. At saka ito po ay adapted mula sa concept ng mga bansang Australia, Hong Kong, Germany, na may mga nag-operate na water taxis.
Sa ngayon po, ilang water taxis ang pabalik-balik dito sa Davao?
As of the moment, we have 2 units servicing the entire Samal area.
Wala po kayong balak magdagdag?
Well, we are planning to magdadagdag ng fleet, mag-expand. Pero siguro by the end of this year.
Pero anong kaibahan kapag sa water taxi ka nakasakay compared dun sa mga ordinary bangkas or sabihin natin vessel na tumatawid ng Samal?
Well, kung anuhin natin, kami yung siguro yung pinakamabilis na access nila compared to the outrigger boats. And practically, pwede kaming yung advantage namin is we are safer since this is a stable boat. It's not made of wood, it's made of fiberglass and hypalon. And basically, these boats that we are having right now are designed as rescue boats.
Okay.
Na parang parang hindi naman kinonvert, pero minodify namin into a water taxi or a passenger boat.
So, yung capability at saka durability is same as yung mga ginagamit ng mga authorities like Philippine Coast Guard.
Yes, basically, yes. Ganun.
Gaano pong kabilis ito, sir? Bigyan nyo kami ng content description kung para nyo sa ibang
We differentiate.
Our cruising speed is 26 miles per hour.
Okay.
That is our prescribed engine speed. But at any point, the passengers can tell our captains to slow it down. Kasi baka gusto nilang mag-sightseeing or something or enjoy. So, ganun. Usually yung mga destinations namin, we can reach it within 20 minutes.
So, depending on how far
our engines are, by the way, 150 horsepower, so it's not really that fast.
How many is the capacity of every unit?
Right now, like what we have right now, we have 12 passengers. Okay, so hanggang minimum of 1, of course, up to 12 passengers.
Okay.
So 12 passengers, not including the crew and the captain.
Okay.
Ito po ba, sir, by reservation or you can just wait doon sa Pampang?
Well, it works like your usual land taxi except that this runs on water.
At walang flag down.
At saka walang flag down. But yes, sort of we have a flag down rate for certain distances. For example, from point A to point B at this number of kilometers, merong may flag down kami na let's say 1,000, and then for 4 persons, tapos every additional person above the 4 will add 50 pesos or 100 pesos or 150 depending on the distance.
Ayun. So, unlike yung mga other regular boats na nagbiyahe, you don't wait na mapuno.
Yes, we don't wait na mapuno kasi usually naman kasi yung those who book with us are groups.
Okay.
Or they're not strangers to each other, but in cases na may mga taong hindi magkakilala pagkatapos they're on the same destination, sinasabi namin sa kanila na mag-share na lang sila dun sa fare para makatipid.
Ayun. At magiging friends pa rin.
Magiging friends.
Sir Dean, for those interested na pumunta dito sa Davao and of course to experience the beaches here, where can they get in touch with you?
Well, we have a website. It's www.davaowatertaxi.com. And we have a Facebook account. Just search for Davao Express Water Taxi. We have a Twitter account. And you can call us at 082-295-7488.
Ayan mga ka-homepage, kapag napili ninyo na puntahan ngayong summer ang Davao, try to get in touch with Sir Dean Ortiz para na sa ganun, safe na maihatid kayo sa inyong mga destination. So thank you so much po again. Okay, let's go!